Welcome everybody back to the channel, and a very good morning to you all. Beautiful Saturday morning, back on the road again, heading into Abbotsford to pick up 3 items and cruise them over to Chullora. That's the one, Chullora. Hope everyone's having a good day. It's a good day for it. In the car spot. Fellas, only a small one today. A couple of mattresses. I'm over at Abbotsford, which is close to 5 Dock. Threw a couple of mattresses on. Brought a fridge downstairs. And I just got to cruise this over to Chullora. And we're done. Done for today anyway. Tomorrow's another day. Hope everyone's having a good day. I want to apologise for the last couple of videos, the last couple of training videos. They were a bit shit, you know, you can put them on that level compared with the last push-ups video that I did. But going through a few things at the moment. It's as best as we can do, and yeah, continue this YouTube journey of mine. I think I'm doing quite well actually. It's only been like just under 7 months, but hopefully the next calisthenics videos will be a lot better. But for the weights training, stay tuned. So I think I'm actually going to join a gym and level up a bit, you know. What's going on? He's alright? At the drop-off location.